All right, good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, quite a different view for you. I'm riding a mountain bike. Kind of cheating though. Well, I haven't cheated yet. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, I'm moving. I'm on an e-bike. Johnny K. Brops on his $5,000 bike that he's got to pedal all by himself. So I can't get Johnny to ride motorcycles with me anymore. Next best thing. The last time I rode a bike, I was probably like 13 years old. Anyway, so yeah, I'm reviewing this G-Force bike. I don't know, as the day goes on, give you quick updates. Does that piss you off, Johnny? Oh, all right. Let me just shift into high gear. You're doing good, Johnny. Huh? It ain't gonna matter. Oh, I'm gonna get run over. Oh shit. What do I do in this scenario? Sorry. Oh, there's a bike lane. I'm allowed to ride in the bike lane. What's up, dude? Race to the white line?
We're gonna go the left turn up there.
Already lost the squad. I'll get him back. I got pedal power. Sorry. This is all right. I could get behind this.
Like those tires are so big. With the shocks too.
Zero effort. This is amazing. Why doesn't everybody just have these? This thing was what, 1,200 bucks? I'm already having 1,200 bucks worth of fun, man. I'm not even sweating yet. It's got this pedal assist. You just look. Oh, I ride my motorcycle here, my street bike. I didn't know which brake was what. All right, this is front brake. This is. I got a headlight too. Let's turn it on. I don't know if you guys can tell. I got a light on. Oh, this is easy. Johnny, I probably would have walked the bike up if it didn't have an electric motor going for it. No. Are you? It's kind of like riding motorcycles, dirt bikes. No problem. Dude, I'm one of those guys that are always in the way now. Yeah, bicyclists. I feel like something's going on with the chain. It keeps jumping teeth. Probably has to be adjusted. Hey, all right. I think I look kind of funny. I'm wearing my dirt bike helmet. I feel like I'm getting ready to do some downhill mountain biking, which I won't be doing. Not yet. Not today. No e-bikes. Well, that's not fun. No e-bikes. Why would that be a thing? Can't do anything fun. Rules against it all. Johnny, do you hate me yet? You sweating? I haven't even taken a drink of water yet. Dude, I lived in this area for so long, never even knew this area existed. Wedding Ranch, you always hear stories of it. People getting eaten by mountain lions, seeing snakes, all kinds of stuff. In fact, somewhere out here, some dude riding a bicycle was attacked by a mountain lion and eaten alive. No good, right? Oh, and then in more recent news, some mountain lion came after some little kid, took its backpack and climbed the tree. Is my back wheel locking up? I'm fully on the brakes. All right, let me in there, let me in there. The smaller one's the lock nut, right? So we'll back it out. Yeah, way better.
Yeah, you want to go up this?
Yeah, do it.
There's a downhill trail that connects right over here.
All right.
I'll get a jump start on you guys. Meet you at the top of Mustard.
Okay.
Come on, buddy. You got this.
Big crates all turned down.
Hopefully these brakes don't fail. Probably totally in Johnny's way. That was awesome. I thought I was gonna die the whole time. Uphill?
Yeah.
I'm trying to conserve battery. It says a half, which scares me.
As long as you make it up this, it's all downhill. Not today. Hi. I'm really struggling.
Want to try this?
No, I'll make it.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel pretty guilty.
Haha, good for you though.
See, you're gonna feel all rewarded after this ride, and I'm just gonna feel like a cheat.
The heat's the killer though. If I did for myself today, I would have gone at 7:30 just to beat the heat. Because this is Mustard, man. It's always hot here.
What's up? Tell you what, if I run out of batteries on this thing, I'm screwed.
How you feeling?
I'm good. Did you eat breakfast?
I had a banana like right before we left.
Dude, I just want a fat ass California burrito right now. Dude, if the brakes fail on this, dead man. Oh shit, oh shit. This is crazy. Going slow. Yeah, man, I haven't ridden a bike in years. So many years, like decades years. So this is crazy to me.
Slow it down or something.
Caution, beehive. Good to know. That's dangerous right there. Johnny's a show on. This was awesome. This bike did great. I mean, I have nothing to compare it to, but fun factor, huge, huge. And these guys ahead of me, dude, their bikes cost thousands of dollars. This thing did all right. I recommend it. I mean, this thing's right out of the box, man. All right, guys, the ride is over. We did Whiting Ranch Trail. I've never done anything like this before in my life. In fact, the last time I rode a bike, I can't even remember the last time. I've been a motorcycle guy. I don't own a bike. This is the first one. When G-Force reached out to me, see if I'd be interested in this review, I said, why not? It's an electric bike. It's got to be kind of like a motorcycle. You guys were gracious enough to allow me out on your ride. You took me to Whiting Trail. First, let's talk about the trail. Out of all the trails around here in Southern California, how does that rate?
It's a little more mellow.
Mellow.
Yeah.
10 being wild, 1 being mild. Where would it be?
Probably like 5 or 6.
5 or 6.
I mean, maybe it's a little more intermediate.
I'd say yes, but it was hot today. We left at mid-morning, late morning. It was really hot, which makes it probably another number up.
You guys have both been riding this trail for years. Hundreds of times.
I've been riding for 30 years, hundreds of times.
Jeez. Again, I don't have any real measure of how this bike did, except I completed the trail. I wasn't breathing as hard as you guys, that's for sure. I definitely wasn't sweating. I don't even know if I need a shower. I felt bad, really, being at the top of the hill waiting for you guys. But that's kind of what this bike was designed for. Maybe somebody that's not huge into fitness, somebody that might have a disability and just wants to be out with their buddies, just be part of the crew. And I feel like this bike can help do that. I was kind of worried we'd break down, and I was gonna just leave it on the trail. But it didn't, it made it. I came back with half the charge. Your bikes cost many thousands. This bike did everything that you guys were able to do today, and at the price range of about 1,200 bucks. And it folds in half. Yeah. Put it in your trunk if you want to.
You made it look easy.
It was.
My first times out of the gate up there, I couldn't clear Whiting. I didn't do it today, but you made it look easy. And with the fat tires on Borrego, you could clear the sand pit that's sometimes 100 yards long. It really is it was a great bike. It really does everything well. And for the price, you can't beat it. The brakes were a little squeaky towards the end, and it looks like we got a little bit of grease on the forks. I don't know if that's normal or not, but again, I didn't die and we made it back in one piece. How many miles did we do today?
11 to 12.
11 to 12
But
miles.
those are pretty intense miles, you know.
A lot of it was uphill.
Not flat street stuff, you know.
And I got still half a battery left. 1,200 bucks. Yeah, I'd recommend. G-Force, thanks for sending me this thing. Really appreciate it. If you guys are interested in something like this, I'm gonna put a link to it in the description of the video. Try it out. You'll be surprised. I was.